Hello. On this video, I kind of created something different. I've done this with a macro, but you need Excel, to use for the macro. So what I did is I created something where you can just, do everything with the HTML file. Because all I'm doing is, looking at files. Files could be sound file, audio, video, text files, whatever it is. Anyway, I created this, and it's pretty neat because it opens up in a web browser and it links everything. There's still some formatting I want to do, but it works, and that's what's pretty neat about this. Again, it's a C plus file, so I have to compile it, and I'm using the MinGW compiler, which I downloaded that for free off the internet. And I'm just naming the exe as create. It'll be on the desktop. And again, I have to use the quotes because I have a space between the file name, and that should create the file. And it's on the desktop. I don't need this anymore, so I'm just going to run it from over here. I'll make this really quick. So I already know what. I've already created these before, so these are folders I've used before. They're again, it's target folder, one folder deep, no files here, but you can have as many files as you want inside each folder. Let's see it created over here. It's done, so I'll call that one as new files 2. Now I'll go to the other one here, and I'm going to do this video as fast as I can. I'll go ahead and run it again. Notice I just copied it and I just pasted it in here. So I'm doing Control C copies, Control V paste. And this will be called new files. And then the other folder is way down in here. There. And I'll go ahead and do the same thing with it. That's a right click. Right click does the same thing. This one takes a little bit longer. It has a lot of files in it. You can see there's a lot of videos here, all the way down to here. I created it. So I'm just going to call that one as videos. Now this is pretty neat. Now all the pages are formatted the same. So if I change the formatting, it's going to change the formatting on all of them. But the thing is, it links everything for you. And I mean, it's basically ready to be loaded onto the internet if you want to, except you'd need a folder here with all your targets inside of there. But I'm doing this I'm not going to put this on there. This is just for me. And plus it's just, you can use it for whatever you want to use it for. It just creates a quick web page used in a web browser. Look how fast everything is, because it's, I guess it's a web browser. It makes it easier. You don't have to load other people's software. It's just already in a web browser. So that's on page 3. That's Silverware. What's his name? He's down here somewhere. Jimmy Swaggart's. It's up here actually. Jimmy Swaggart's church. Capitals. Okay, so that's one set of videos. You can see 3 pages of stuff. They all work. The next one will be this one. And then again, they're all named the same. But this one only has two videos.
Hey,
Or two pages. There's that one. Here's this.
here I am.
Here's this.
Sauk State Capitol.
This one.
Hey, I just came from the state capitol again.
This.
This
That's
is
a
a
redwood.
giant sequoia tree. These are
That's
supposed to
sequoia.
be one of
There's redwood and sequoia out there. I thought that's pretty neat. Here's this.
the observation deck of Louisiana State Capitol. Hey, I'm heading train.
This is Turtle Beach.
Hello,
That's
this is
Turtle Beach.
to let you guys know that.
Turtle Beach. Somewhere way out there in
Come on, I'm not.
Pennsylvania. That was Delaware River. We'll go next page, and it's just capital, Space Needle. That's that page. And I'm gonna try to do this video as fast as I can. I don't know how long it's taken already. But the point is, I'm just showing you it works. Now, this is one thing I want to change because it's got 53 pages. So I want to make it where it goes over here and starts listing over here after 29 pages. I didn't think about that until after I'd already done it. But you can see all these are there. They are linked. They all work. Here's, you can see they all work. And 52 and 53 on the final page right here. And that's what you'll be seeing in a few days. So anyway, I'll load this video, and I thought it was pretty neat. It's just web browser. It makes it work with a web browser. I thought it was pretty neat. Anyway, have a good. The code. I'll post the code later. I have the code here. It takes a long time to copy all this stuff, but this is the actual code used to write it. It's a lot of stuff in here, a lot of subroutines. A lot of it was reused from the last one. It's just there's certain things I had to do that were different, which is in this function right here. This one took me a long time. This function took me a long time to figure out right here. The rest of them were pretty easy, but that function took a very long time. Took basically most of today and part of yesterday.